They said it couldn't be replaced. The Lexus LFA was a V10 masterpiece that defined a generation. But today, the silence is broken. Lexus has officially world premiered the successor, and it's rewriting the rules of the electric age. Welcome to the new Lexus LFA Concept. This isn't just a design study. Lexus calls this a concept model aimed at embodying Discover Immersion. It's a battery electric vehicle, or BV, developed side-by-side with Toyota Gazoo Racing's GR-GT and GR-GT3 race cars. The goal was to create an electric sports car that actually exceeds expectations and keeps the joy of driving alive. Just look at it. It inherits that sensual sculptural beauty of the original LFA, but evolves it for the future. It's built on a light, high-rigidity all-aluminum body frame, sharing DNA with actual race cars. And the stance? It is incredibly aggressive. We're talking nearly 4.7 meters long, over 2 meters wide, and remarkably low, standing just 1,195 millimeters tall. That low center of gravity isn't just for looks, it's about pure aerodynamic performance. Step inside, and you enter a world Lexus calls Discover Immersion. They've stripped away the noise. The cockpit is minimalist and centered entirely around the driver. The steering wheel is shaped specifically for sport driving, no need to red-grip your hands in a tight turn. And get this, the controls are designed for blind touch operation, so you never have to take your eyes off the road. It's about total unity between man and machine. But why now? Chairman Akio Toyoda, also known as Master Driver Morizo, has a philosophy called Shikinen Sengu. It's a Japanese tradition of rebuilding shrines to pass skills from one generation to the next. This car is that vessel. It's built to preserve the car-making magic of Lexus veterans and pass it down to the electric generation. It proves that LFA isn't just a name, it's a symbol of engineering heritage.